Hi guys, just found this in my stock of stuff. Little electronics kit. Picked up in a charity shop probably last year, I should think. Electronic decision maker. Made in Hong Kong. Simply push the button to start flashing yes, no LEDs. Flashing speed gradually decreases and finally one remains lit. 9-volt battery operated. Auto power off, low power consumption, 1 microamp, idle, 8 milliamps in use. I thought I might put it together. No point in it sitting in the shelf for forever. So that's the 9-volt battery supply, tray, whatever. And here's the kit. And that's what it should look like when we finished. Doesn't appear to be any instructions as such, but then stuff's written on there. Okay. There's no values written on there, just R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. And they are different values. Right, that could be a problem, couldn't it? If we don't know which one's which. It's not as bad as I thought. When I actually read what it says manual inside. This opens up. There we are. It even tells you the colors of the resistors. So R1 and R2 are brown, black, yellow. Brown, black, yellow. Brown, black, yellow. R3 is brown, black, green. Brown, black, green. R4, brown, black, orange. Brown, black, orange. R5 and 6, brown, black, red. Brown, black, red. Brown, black, red. And R7, red, red, yellow. Okay, so we've got all the resistors. They all out of focus. How about that? That looks a bit better. T1 is the BC557, T2 is the BC547. Electric capacitor, C1, C2, and C3. And a couple of diodes, one diode. Yeah, looks like we've got everything. Convention says do the things that are the lowest first. Which, if we're going to lay the resistors flat, they would be first. So R1, 100k. R1, maybe there. R1. R2 is also 100k. There's R2 across there. Okay. I used to buy cheap kits off eBay. Used to be able to get them for about 99 pence or something like that. I did a whole series of this sort of thing. R3, 1 megohm, brown, black, green, that one. Some people get quite sniffy about having them all point same direction. R4, brown, black, orange. R4, where was that? That one. R5, brown, black, red. R5, brown, black, red, R5. Where's, oh, there's R5. R6, also brown, black, red. R7, red, red, yellow. Okay, so they're all in place. So, how's my soldering iron doing? Is that warmed up? Oh, before we do that, I'm just going to rig up a little fan to blow the fumes away from me, because I keep forgetting to do this. It's actually a 12-volt fan. I'm only running it on 7.5 volts. So it shouldn't cool the soldering iron down too much. If you have it's blowing across too cold, then you actually cause yourself problems. by cooling it down too quickly. Well, it depends how hot your soldering iron is, obviously. Another reason for doing this now is I have actually got a little kit on order. It's only a little amplifier, because I want to do something I spotted on Pinterest. I think it's Pinterest. Little circuit that involves using a solar panel and an amplifier. I thought might be fun to try it, see if it actually works. Right. So that's them done. Get me bin over for the bits. I'll just trim them off. So that's the first bit done. Next, diodes. Yeah. Or diode. There is only one. Get it the right way round. I just realised it actually tells you the order to do these things in, and it happens to agree with me, which is handy. So we've done the socket, we've got it the right way round. Next, push button, switch. That's a nice push button. Okay, next LEDs. Red one and a green one. LD1 is the red one. With the flat edge on one side. Flat edge there. And the green one. Flat edge also there. Yep, they look okay. Transistors. 557 is T1. Got a bit of a bent leg there. And 547 is T2. We out of focus again. Let's just double check. Yeah, we're out of. Why did it do that? I do apologise if some of that's been out of focus. I thought I'd locked it in. Okay, so our transistors in place. Electrolytic capacitors. C1, 22. They're both 22, and that one must be the other one. One, yeah. So I see C1 and C2 happen to be, let's just double check that, yeah, plus facing away from each other. Like that. Let's just have a look at the picture. Yeah, the picture shows them facing away from each other. And obviously that one. And that one's rocked over a little bit. Let's just straighten it up a little. A little bit more. Yeah, that's close enough. That's all that done. This little fella. Tell you what, that's a little bit tight to try and get that in there now. Because those capacitors are right up in the way. Just gently bend them in a little bit. Not too far. Okay. Home. So that's it. Oh, we got a screw that on the back and then solder them in place, or solder them in place first. Yeah, gonna have to solder them in place first. Could do with an extra pair of hands here. Right, need a screwdriver to screw them on. And a 9-volt battery. We better try it out, hadn't we? Let's turn off my fan. Gosh. Really? There we go. Okay. So, press button. Oh, lights flicker. No. Is the result. Press button again. Oh, gone to yes now. Oh, you having a laugh? That's a tease. No. Yes. That's no good at all, is it? Yes. I bet it flicks to no. No, it stayed on yes that time. So if you convince somebody the answer was no, and then it flicks on to yes when you go to show them. Yeah, it flashed on the no then, didn't it? just as it finished. Well, it's a bit of fun. It was for training you on soldering more than actually being a sensible circuit. I'll see if I can get a good picture of that to add to the video. Scan it in. Because I'm sure there'll be somebody who wants to try and build the circuit themselves. So the chip is a P0230AD 4046B or CD4046B CN. So actually tell us that anywhere. Oh, there we are. A CD4046. A mini kit designed in Europe. Velleman High Q kit. MK135, whatever that may be. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.